Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Beach Rescue ATV from 2021 to 2022. As you can see, you get this beautiful shark. The mouth can open and close. And also you get this beautiful beach ATV. And you can take the jet ski off the trailer to put it in the water, and you get only one minifigure with, and I made the scenery look like he's at the beach watching the water. As you can see, you get the walkie-talkie with the jet ski and also binoculars, and the binoculars put in his hand is actually from another set. As you can see, this is what the beach ATV looks like. You can open the roof to put the minifigure in, and you can also put the jet ski back on the trailer. See, that's what the shark looks like from the back. And the minifigure's got this beautiful red cap, and he's got his orange life vest on, so that he's ready to do a rescue. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. And if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description below. Thank you. Bye.